కృతి శెట్టి గారు.
యా చెప్పండి.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ మేడం.
గుడ్
ఓకే.
ఈవినింగ్.
నాది ఒక క్వశ్చన్, 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ యాక్చువల్‌గా.
సరే
ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్
అడగండి.
తర్వాత రెండో క్వశ్చన్.
ఓకే ఓకే.
సో, మీరు ఉప్పెన నుంచి జర్నీ స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. తెలుగులో చేశారు, తమిళ్‌లో చేశారు.
అవును.
తమిళ్‌లో చేస్తున్నారు. సో, ఇప్పుడు మలయాళంలో కూడా చేశారు. సో, వాట్ మేడ్ యూ టు చూస్ దిస్ క్యారెక్టర్ అమాంగ్ దీస్ ఆల్ క్యారెక్టర్స్? వై సో స్పెషల్?
అంటే నాకు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నా క్యారెక్టరే కాకుండా సినిమా ఓవరాల్గా విన్నప్పుడు చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్గా అనిపించింది. అంటే మేము ఎస్పెషలీ సౌత్లో ఇండియాలోనే యాక్చువల్గా మేము చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి అంటే అమ్మమ్మ ఒక కథ చెప్తానంటే చాలా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటుంది కదా మనందరికీ. అలాంటి ఒక కథ అంటే ఒక 3 జనరేషన్స్ ఉంది ఈ స్టోరీలో. ఆ 3 జనరేషన్స్లో స్టోరీ ఫిల్మ్ పేరు అజయ్ అంటే రెండాం మోషనం, విచ్ ఇస్ అజయంది సెకండ్ దొంగతనం. సో అది ఫస్ట్ దొంగతనం ఏంటి, సెకండ్ దొంగతనం ఏంటి, ఈ 3 జనరేషన్స్ అది ఎలా జరుగుతుంది అనేది స్టోరీ. సో దాట్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఎక్సైటింగ్. ప్లస్ నాకు నా క్యారెక్టర్ చాలా చాలా నచ్చింది.
ఓకే. ద సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్, మ్యామ్ మేము తుని నుంచి వచ్చాం మీకోసం, నేను మా సిస్టర్.
యా వస్తానండి.
Okay, thank you.
ఖచ్చితంగా వస్తాను.
I thought Kriti ne dance hi pick ne jayegi. You want to dance?
ഹലോ ഇച്ചായ
ഹലോ.
ആ ലൂസിഫറിലെ ഡയലോഗ് ഒന്ന് പറയോ?
So for those who didn't understand, they are requesting me to tell one dialogue from the movie Lucifer. So I played a character in that. Can I? Okay, with your permission. മുണ്ടുടുക്കാൻ അറിയാതെ, മലയാളത്തിൽ സംസാരിക്കാൻ അറിയാതെ PK രാംദാസിന്റെ മകൻ ജതിൻ രാംദാസ് നിങ്ങളുടെ മുമ്പിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ വന്ന് നിൽക്കുമെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നുണ്ടോ? എനിക്ക് മുണ്ടുടുക്കാനും അറിയാം, ആവശ്യം വന്നാൽ അത് മടക്കി കുത്താനും അറിയാം. എനിക്ക് മലയാളത്തിൽ സംസാരിക്കാനും അറിയാം, വേണ്ടി വന്ന നല്ല 2 തെറി പറയാനും അറിയാം. Thank you.
Any questions?
ఇక్కడ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. మై క్వశ్చన్ టు కృతి శెట్టి. సో దిస్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఫస్ట్ ఫిలిం ఇన్ ద మలయాళం ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ. సో హౌ వాజ్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్?
ఐ థింక్ ఇట్ వాజ్ అ వండర్ఫుల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అండి. ఐ సా అంటే ప్రతి ఇండస్ట్రీలో కూడా చాలా చాలా హార్డ్ వర్క్ ఉంటుంది. బట్ మలయాళం వాళ్ళు ఒక 1 షెడ్యూల్లో లేకపోతే 2 షెడ్యూల్స్ ఒక ఫుల్ సినిమాని ఫినిష్ చేసేస్తారు. సో ద కైండ్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్ దే పుట్ ఇన్, ద కైండ్ ఆఫ్ హార్డ్ వర్క్ దే పుట్ ఇన్ వాజ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇన్స్పైరింగ్ టు సీ. ప్లస్ టొవినో గారితో వర్క్ చేయడం, ఆయన ఈ సినిమా కోసం యాక్టింగ్ ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకున్నారు. సో ఆయన నేర్చుకున్నదంతా నాతో కూడా షేర్ చేశారు, ఆ టెక్నిక్స్ నాతో షేర్ చేశారు, విచ్ వాజ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఎన్రిచింగ్ ఫర్ మీ. సో ఇట్ వాజ్ అ వండర్ఫుల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్.
ఓకే మ్యామ్. ఓకే టు టెల్ ఐఎమ్ యాక్చువల్లీ a big fan of you from your first film Uppena.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి.
So eagerly waiting for your next Telugu film or any language film.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో
And
మచ్.
congrats to for this film.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hello. I have a question for Tovino sir. Hi sir.
Hi.
So I want to ask the experience with Basil Joseph. We know we have fans. Basil fans ille. So about him.
So you want it in Malayalam or English?
Malayalam.
Okay. So Basil, ഞാൻ എപ്പോഴും പറയുന്ന ഒരു കാര്യമുണ്ട്. ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ കഴിവുകളിൽ വിശ്വസിച്ചതിനേക്കാൾ കൂടുതൽ എൻ്റെ കഴിവുകളിൽ വിശ്വസിച്ച എൻ്റെ കൂട്ടുകാരാണ് എനിക്ക് ഏറ്റവും നല്ല സിനിമകൾ തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്. അതിൽ ഒരാൾ ബേസിലാണ്, ഒരാൾ ജിതിനാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അവൻ്റെ കൂടെയുള്ള എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങളൊക്കെ കാണുന്നതല്ലേ, അത് തന്നെയാണ്. വളരെ അടുത്ത സുഹൃത്താണ്, നല്ലൊരു വെൽവിഷറാണ് അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും. ഇപ്പോൾ കറൻ്റ്ലി ബേസിലിൻ്റെ വിശേഷം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ബേസിൽ ഒരു സിനിമയിൽ അഭിനയിക്കുകയാണ്, മരണമാസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന സിനിമ. അത് ഞാനാണ് പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Also, I want to add something. Like my friends, Malayali friends who act in Telugu movies have always told me, I mean, in the Telugu audience, their love is something different. And right now I am experiencing it, and I thank from my bottom of my heart. I never understood what they were talking about, but now I understand. Thank you so much.
Hello, Tovino Thomas.
Hello.
Here, straight.
Hi.
My name is Chetan Mahesh Verma.
Sorry, come again.
മൈ നെയിം ഇസ് ചേതൻ മഹേഷ് വർമ്മ.
Hi, Chetan. Hi.
ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളുടെ വലിയൊരു ഫാനാണ്.
Oh, thank you.
ഞാൻ ലൂസിഫർ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്, മിന്നൽ മുരളി കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്, തീവണ്ടി കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
എനിക്കൊരു ചോദ്യമേ ഉള്ളൂ, നമുക്കൊരു മിന്നൽ മുരളി പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കാവോ? മിന്നൽ മുരളി 2.
So, about Minnal Murali 2, Basil ഭയങ്കര ബിസി ആയിട്ട് അവൻ്റെ ആക്ടിങ് കരിയർ കൊണ്ടുപോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. സോ എവ്രി വൺ നോസ് ദാറ്റ് ബേസിൽ ഈസ് എ വെരി ബിസി ആക്ടർ ഇൻ കേരള. Right now, he is giving super hits, blockbusters every year, at least one per year. And right now, he is acting in a movie which I am being produced. Also, he'll be directing a movie very soon, and that will not be Minnal Murali 2, but a different movie. After that, if Minnal Murali, we didn't force Minnal Murali, we didn't plan Minnal Murali, it just happened, just like that. So Minnal Murali 2 also should happen. Waiting for an amazing idea. And we already have few ideas, but waiting for even better ideas. Because if we are making a sequel for Minnal Murali, it needs to be 10 times better than Minnal Murali 1. So let's wait. Thank you.
Hi, Kriti. Here. My question. How was the experience working with Tovino Thomas?
యా లైక్ ఐ జస్ట్ సెడ్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఆయన ఈ 3 క్యారెక్టర్స్ కాబట్టి హీ పుట్ ఇన్ సో మచ్ టైమ్ అండ్ హార్డ్ వర్క్ ఇంటూ ఇట్. ఆయన యాక్టింగ్ ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకున్నారు అండ్ షూట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఆయన నేర్చుకున్నవి నాతో కూడా షేర్ చేశారు, విచ్ ఐఎమ్ వెరీ వెరీ గ్రేట్ఫుల్ ఫర్. అంటే ఆయనకి ఇప్పుడు నాకు కూడా ఎడ్యుకేట్ చేయడం అవసరం లేదు, బట్ అయినా సరే ఆయన చేశారు, విచ్ ఈస్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ హిస్ నైస్నెస్. సో ఐఎమ్ వెరీ గ్రేట్ఫుల్.
Please share any funny incident behind the scenes.
అంటే యాక్చువల్గా ఇప్పుడు ఆయన నేను చేసిన దాంట్లో నుంచి ఏం నేర్చుకున్నారంటే ఈరోజు అడిగారు ఒక ఇంటర్వ్యూలో. సో హీ సెడ్ ఆయన హ్యాండ్ కేర్ చేయడం నేర్చుకున్నారు, బికాస్ ఒక షార్ట్ ఉండింది సినిమాలో, అంటే సగం డైలాగ్ హ్యాండ్ షాట్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఆ హ్యాండ్స్ అంతా యాక్ట్ చేయాలని డైరెక్టర్ గారు చెప్పారు. సో అప్పుడు నేను హ్యాండ్ బాగా కనిపించాలి, హ్యాండ్తో ఎట్లా యాక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు అని సర్చ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఆయన హ్యాండ్కి కూడా యాక్టింగ్ ఉంటుందా, హ్యాండ్కి కూడా కేర్ ఉంటుందా అని అన్నారు.
Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hello. Sir, this question is for Tovino, sir.
Hello, hi.
Big fan, I'm a big fan.
Oh, thank you. I'm honored.
I have 2 questions.
Okay.
First one, so which actor or hero do you like most right now in Tollywood?
Oh, it's a tough question. Do I have an option to love everyone?
No.
I believe.
You can choose.
No, I have that choice.
Okay.
So, being an audience, I can love one actor.
Yeah.
But being an actor, whenever I see a good performance from one actor, I'll immediately become his fan. And whenever I see another good performance from another actor, I'll become his fan. I have that right. I don't believe in loving just one person. I believe in loving everyone. And that's a tough question.
Yeah.
And this is my answer. I love every good actor.
So when are you doing a direct Telugu movie?
Whenever an amazing script finds me.
So what is the last movie that you watched in Telugu?
Kalki.
Excuse me.
Hi.
Yeah. So my question is to Harish sir. So like, how to say this? How was the like on-set experience with this movie compared to Mayanadi, Kalki, and all? Like, how was it different? Like, was it more experience, thrilling? Like, did you have to do more stunts and stuff like that?
నేను తెలుగులో చెప్పాలా, ఇంగ్లీష్లోనా, మలయాళంలోనా? ఓకే, ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తే అర్థమవుతుంది కదా. ఓకే కదా? ఓకే, అలా చెప్తా, లేదంటే టైం పోతుంది. సో మాయానది for me in my career is one of the important films. And I've mentioned in a lot of interviews that the process which we went through was so beautiful as an actor. It was, even today, if you ask me what is the best work experience movie, I would say Mayanadi. And the best thing was, in Mayanadi is when I met Tovino, and from then it has been an amazing journey with him. After Mayanadi, it was Kalki. Kalki is a completely, it's a mass action film, so the approach was completely different. And now ARM. The similarity is Tovino is there in all 3 films, and from Kalki, Jitin Lal, the director of ARM, was the associate in Kalki, and that's when I know him. And from there, there was a journey. So ARM is one of the best experiences for me, because some beautiful people, lovely people are there in the team. Because I've always seen Tovino, he has some amazing friends around him. So that makes the set so very beautiful and lovely, and it has been an amazing experience. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
ടോയ് ചേട്ടാ എൻ്റെ പേര് അൽത്താഫ്.
ഹലോ അൽത്താഫ്.
ഞാൻ മലപ്പുറത്തു നിന്നാണ്, കേരള മലപ്പുറത്തു നിന്നാണ്. ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ വലിയൊരു ആരാധകനാണ്, അതേപോലെ നിങ്ങളെ മണവാളം വസീമിൻ്റെ വലിയൊരു ആരാധകനാണ്.
താങ്ക് യു.
എനിക്ക് ചോദിക്കാനുള്ളത്, തല്ലുമാലക്കൊരു പാർട്ട് 2 ഉണ്ടാവുമോ?
ആലോചിക്കാവുന്നതാണ്.
പിന്നെ
അതിന് ഒരു ഡിസ്കഷൻ ഉണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ അതും ഈ പറയുന്ന പോലെ തല്ലുമാലയേക്കാൾ എത്രയോ മടങ്ങ് നല്ല സിനിമയായിരിക്കണം തല്ലുമാല 2. അതാണ് ഈ സീക്വലിന്റെ ഹോൾ പർപ്പസ്. പിന്നെ അതങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ ഉണ്ടാവൂ.
നിങ്ങൾ ഫുഡ് കഴിച്ചോ?
ഞാൻ ഇന്നലെ രാത്രി കഴിച്ചതാ, പിന്നെ കഴിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. ബാക്ക് ടു ബാക്ക് ഇന്റർവ്യൂസ് ആയിരുന്നു.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for asking questions.